Hey folks, ever wondered what makes you you? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of DNA, the blueprint of life itself. So what exactly is DNA? It stands for deoxyribonucleic acid and is found in nearly every living organism. This incredible molecule carries the genetic instructions for everything, from your eye color to your risk of certain diseases. Let's break it down. What is DNA made of? Picture a long, twisted ladder known as a double helix. It's composed of nucleotides, which include a phosphate group, a sugar molecule called deoxyribose, and a nitrogenous base. Now, these bases are like the letters of the genetic alphabet: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. They pair up in a very specific way, A with T and C with G. These pairings form the rungs of the DNA ladder and encode genetic information. Where do we find DNA? In eukaryotic cells like ours, DNA is snugly packed inside the nucleus in structures called chromosomes. Humans have 23 pairs of these chromosomes, which altogether hold around 3 billion base pairs of DNA. And there's more. It's also in our mitochondria, inherited solely from our mothers. In simpler organisms like bacteria, DNA floats freely in the cytoplasm. So, what does DNA do? It's the ultimate multitasker. First, it stores genetic information, acting as a manual for building and maintaining an organism. Second, it replicates itself to pass information accurately during cell division. And third, it directs protein synthesis, controlling the production of proteins that carry out essential bodily functions. Now, how does DNA shape who you are? Your DNA is unique to you unless you have an identical twin. It determines physical traits like eye color and height, regulates biological processes, and even influences behavioral tendencies. It's why DNA is often called the blueprint of life. Just as a blueprint guides the construction of a building, DNA provides the instructions for building and maintaining you. Genes, which are segments of DNA, play a critical role in health and disease. Mutations in genes can lead to genetic disorders or increase the risk for diseases like diabetes or cancer. On the flip side, advances in personalized medicine use DNA testing to tailor treatments based on your genetic makeup. But does DNA influence personality and behavior? Absolutely. While the environment does play a role, studies show that genetics can influence intelligence, mental health, and personality traits. And let's not forget epigenetics, how the environment affects gene expression. As we age, DNA damage accumulates due to factors like oxidative stress and telomere shortening. Research into telomerase activation and DNA repair mechanisms aims to slow down aging. The discovery of DNA is a story in itself. From Friedrich Miescher isolating nuclein in 1869 to Watson and Crick's double helix model in 1953, to the completion of the Human Genome Project in 2003. The future of DNA research is incredibly exciting. From CRISPR gene editing to synthetic biology, personalized medicine, and even using DNA for data storage, the possibilities are endless. Did you know dolphins share about 90% of their DNA with us? Crazy, right? They have similar brain development genes and social behavior traits. Fun fact, dolphins are more closely related to hippos than to fish. In conclusion, DNA is the foundation of life, influencing everything from our looks to our health. Understanding DNA helps us appreciate the complexity of biology and our own uniqueness. Would you like to learn more about your unique blueprint and more about what makes you, you? We're so excited to get to know you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fascinating science, spirituality, etc. content which we're bridging together at Fusion of Knowledge. And if you're ready to explore the fusion of science and spirituality for yourself and in your own life, visit our website at fusionofknowledge.com. And start by taking advantage of our free Life Force Navigation Report, where you can receive a personalized quantum human design assessment to gain insight into your unique energetic blueprint.